Okay, so I'm going to show how I'm going to do the rope ladder. So we got the I-ring braided in the rope, and I'm going to show what our plan is for putting the rope through and holding the ladder treads. So basically what I've done here, this is my mock-up. So I've drilled the diameter of the rope and just a hair bigger so I can get it pulled through. And then what I figured I would do, and I think it'll work, is I bought these clamps. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp the rope where I want it, and then this is going to slide in. Once I tighten it around the rope, that'll slide into the area that I've routed out there. That's about the same shape as this, and that will fit in there. So when it's all done, you shouldn't see it. It should be flush and recessed in there. And so I did a couple mock-ups. The first time I did it, you can see I ripped out some wood here. So I tried to figure out a way to get it, and I finally got it by drilling the back first and then drilling the top. And I've got a 1-inch rope and a 1-inch hole saw, but the rope expands just a little bit, so I have to bore this out just a little bit more than 1 inch. So the wood we're using, I had a bunk bed and a rail, and so I've planed down a piece of the bunk bed rail that we never would use, and so that's my wood. But it's about, what is it? It's about an inch by 2.5 inches, 2 5/8. And then over here is my production. So here's my treads. They're 18 inches long. The hole is about 1 inch from the end. So overall, I'll have about a 14-inch space between the rope. So there's 2 of them. This is kind of how I drilled the back side first, and then I'll drill the top so that it doesn't spall out and split when I drill it. Here's my hole saw. Here's my router for routering out that piece, and then I use my planer for getting the existing finish off of this wood, because my kiln is going to stain it a weathered gray. So that's how we're doing the treads. It looks like we'll only have 5 treads, so or 4. That's all we measured that we would need.